Hi friends, welcome to Aruna's English. Today our topic is uses of between and among. These two are prepositions. Now I will explain when should we use between and when should we use among. Before that, just observe some examples. Between is used when the nouns are two in number. That means, for example, there is a boy between two girls. Here, now look at this picture. Here there is a boy between these two girls. So, here we have to use between between. And one more example. There is a car between two houses. Here there is a car between these two houses. Only two houses are there. That's why we have to use between. And among is used when the nouns are more than two. Example, there is a boy among the puppies. Look at this picture. In this picture, there is a boy among the puppies. Here, puppies are more than two. That's why we have to use the preposition among. Like that, look at this picture. Among the stars. So many stars are there. That means more than two. That's why we have to use the preposition among. That means I say that the preposition between is used for two persons or things. The preposition among and it is also used for groups. Now let us see some more examples. There is a pond between two trees. Here the pond is between two trees. Only two trees are there. That's why I used between. My mother shared chocolates between my brother and my sister. Here my brother and my sister. Only two persons are there. That's why we have to use between. There is a shop among the houses. Here it is not mentioned that only two houses. It is said that houses. So, we have to write among. There is a match between India and Pakistan. Here it is mentioned that only two countries, India and Pakistan. That's why we have to use between. There is a deal among India, America and Russia. In this sentence, three countries are there, more than two, India, America and Russia. So that's why I used the preposition among. Next one. The two little kittens divided the piece of bread between themselves. Here only two little kittens are there. That's why the preposition is between. There is a football match among Asian countries. Here Asian countries means more than two. So that's why we have to use among. There is an agreement between the two companies. Here the companies are only two. That's why we have to use between. The workers quarreled among themselves. Here workers means it is not mentioned only two workers. That means we can understand that more than two. So the preposition among is used. I sat between my parents. Parents means generally mother and father. That's why only two persons. So we have to write between. So finally I can say that the preposition between is used for two persons or things and the preposition among is used for more than two persons or things, and also for groups. So I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.